All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A look out at the Dakota Magic Casino. Almost looks like a glaze of water out there. Icy conditions in the snowy fields. And your current conditions at Hector International show it is a cold one out there, 4 below zero as we've stayed sub-zero for the majority of the day for the majority of the area. Wind northwesterly. It's been 10 to 20 miles per hour throughout and 6 below that temperature in Moorhead. Feels like it's in the 20s below zero right now here. The warmer area, you see the black line, that is the 0 degree line. Off to the east, actually things warmer. Brainerd 7, Duluth 9, 0 in Roseau, and it is near 10 below for Devils Lake to Langdon at this hour. Factor in those winds and it's 20 to 30 below in many locations out there. Another night to make sure that you are bundled up. There is some snow shower activity showing up on the radar up here not far from Minot and points west out into the oil patch, kind of riding on this cold air boundary that is set up right here where it's 42 in Billings. It's almost 50 degrees colder here in portions of the valley. So a big time drop in temperatures. Dallas still cold, but not as cold as last night as things are starting to moderate in southern parts of Texas and the deep south, even New Orleans still feeling the pinch of cold air with wind chills down there below freezing in many locations and the coldest air in the nation right here in the valley. Aren't we proud? A look at the east coast as snow continues in parts of Maine. Now that area has been seeing snow for well over 24 hours. Rain finally moving off the Atlantic coast tonight. Our forecast, northwest winds continue. Clear skies will cause temperatures to fall quickly early, but then clouds will start building into the west as we go to the 10 o'clock hour. So temperatures tonight, 10 to 20 below for air temperatures, wind chills 20 to 30 below for most. Maybe briefly a little colder than that. We do have the wind chill advisory crawling across the bottom of your screen for many of our counties. As we go through the overnight hours, after midnight, snow begins to develop in the Devils Lake Basin. So after midnight's when it starts, and it's going to come with some wind where you see these green arrows, gusts over 30 miles per hour. Carry us into the wee hours of the morning. There's 3 in the morning in the valley and spreading through much of western and northern Minnesota as we go into Saturday morning. So there will already be accumulation up north, winds around 30 miles per hour. That's going to reduce visibility, and there will be some slippery travel conditions up north first thing in the morning. Down south, not so much the case, and all of us warm to above zero to start the day. As we go through the midday hours, no snow down south. South winds, though, will cause slippery road conditions as temperatures begin to warm to 20 to 30 degrees. South winds continue, snow continues, and then after about 2 in the afternoon, the snow begins to exit. 30 mile per hour northwest winds will take hold into the evening hours, keeping things, well, tough for travelers. Reduced visibility, icy roads, as well as, of course, that the blowing snow. Now, temperatures will begin falling for all of us by the evening hours. How much snow? Once again, a pretty large area along the northern tier of 2 to 4 inches. We could see a few areas with plus amounts in northern parts of Roseau County out towards Lake of the Woods. Elsewhere down south, a trace to 2 inches and nothing at all for some as well in the far south. Temperatures really ramping their way up as we go through the day. We'll spend our day in the 20s there in the afternoon, dropping off slowly with those clouds. Cannot rule out some flurries here in the Southern Valley. Beautiful shot here from Susan in the Gary area of some sundogs on this cold February morning. Colder on Sunday with those north winds bringing the chill back. 28 on Monday, and then we stay in the 30s as we go through the middle of the week. A few chances of light snow, Mike, nothing too heavy the way it looks now.
It's going to be nice.
Yes.
Thanks.